for the creation of a multilingual online learning platform. Contents of the package: pages on meridians, interactive three-dimensional models of the human body featuring meridian pathways and acupuncture points. The letter designations of the meridians and the numbering of the points follow international standards. Pages on acupuncture points. Anatomical illustrations of the body in 3 projections, including skeletal and nervous systems, with overlaid meridians and acupuncture points. Acupuncture points are interactive. Included in the set: interactive 3D models, 1 male and 1 female figure with the 14 main meridians. The female figure additionally includes the 8 extraordinary meridians. Pages on the meridians. Left, visualization of the body, 3D model. Right, information panel with a list of meridians and access to detailed information for each meridian. "3D model controls, with the mouse, rotate, move, and zoom. This allows for a detailed examination of all meridians and points on the body. The high-resolution models allow the images to be projected onto a large screen, ideal for classroom use. Information panel is movable sideways. Clicking on the meridian name opens a detailed description. D model of the female figure with 8 extraordinary meridians. Meridian description appears when clicking on the name. Pages, acupuncture points. On the left side of each page, one of the 3 projection views of a human model is displayed, with meridian pathways, zhangluo, and acupuncture points, shukshui. On the right side of the image, the acupuncture points are shown interactively, with a red center for marking. To the right of the image is an information panel with the names of the meridians according to TCM nomenclature, as well as a display area for detailed information about selected acupuncture points. The set includes 3 anatomical medical illustrations of the human body, including skeletal and nervous systems, with overlaid meridian pathways and acupuncture points, in front, side, and rear views. The set includes 3 anatomical medical illustrations of the human body, including skeletal and nervous systems, with overlaid meridian pathways and acupuncture points, in front, side, and rear views. The positioning of the points corresponds to the international standard of the World Health Organization, WHO, for acupuncture point localization. The software offers intuitive model control using the computer mouse, rotation to the left and right, movement up and down, as well as a zoom function to enlarge or reduce the view. When clicking on an interactive point, e.g., ST16, a brief description of the corresponding meridian first appears in the right information area, followed by a full description of the specific acupuncture point ST16, including localization, indications, and effects according to TCM. Description of the localization of the acupuncture points, including anatomical orientation and relation to adjacent structures in Western medicine.